Across millennia, the partnership between humans and dogs reshaped societies more than many wars. Archaeological finds suggest dog domestication began tens of thousands of years ago, shaping hunting, protection, and companionship. In farming communities, dogs guarded flocks and stores, while in cities they acted as loyal aides in hunting, policing, and messaging. From Mesopotamian art to Egyptian tombs, dogs appear in rituals and daily life, illustrating a bond that influenced social structure and trade networks. This episode argues that the shared journey of canines and people helped seed urban centers, accelerate migration, and foster cultural exchange across continents.